1200, the width. I made the width 1200 and the height 1600. So it's okay like this. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to import your POS. So this is POS done. When import, you're going to use this button to change the effects. So it turns around. When it turns around, you're going to reduce the size and make it, I think it's okay like this. Then you import also. You're going to be importing this cache. You reduce the size and cover it. It's okay like this. So next thing, you're going to your layer settings. You click on merge. First and foremost, you select the two image, then you click on merge to merge it. Then you click on your group. So did it. You lock it. Go to your text, you add the letter P. Make it capitalized, okay. Increase the size to the fullest. Then you go to your texture. Select the texture. I'm going to also send the texture background. Yeah. So you crop it. You go to your font. I'm going to be using this font Evogria. No, it's called Evogria. Okay, this is the font. I'm going to paste it on here. Make it big a little. Then you copy. Add your letter O. Copy also. And add your letter S. Then you make it to back. So this POS will not be covered. But as you can see, it is covering the S too much. So what I need to do, first of all, let me lock this one. Then I will unlock this one and repeat. Alright, it is okay like this. So in order to make sure that this POS here is balanced, I'm going to use the scale. So setting of the scale, I'm going to set it with this preference of P. So for you to know if they are balanced. And you also use. So I don't know if you can observe, there is one letter which is not balanced, and that letter is letter S. Observe the bottom and the top. You will see that it's not balanced. So this one enables you to balance it. So I'll click on it now to balance. Go to your position, reduce to 1. Okay, it's okay like this. Now you can lock everything fully and unscale everything. So the next thing on the list is for you to go to your shapes. For you not to be confused, you can change the color since you are using the white background. Increase the radius. Alright, so I'm going back to my texture again. I'm going to select that same texture I used for the text. This is so this always enable for it to be balanced. You check I disable it is scattered, so when you enable to make it balanced, I'm going to turn it and put it here. It's okay like this. Unlock it. Then go back and copy your letter S. We're going to change the color of this letter S to white. After turning it white, we're going to delete your texture. Then add it like this. Then make it to back. So you can see. It's okay like this. You lock. So you're done with the first part. The next thing you're going to do, we're going to input all the text. So I'm going to be using withdraw, transfer, deposit, and the rest. You add your text, withdraw. Then you go to the texture, change the texture. I'm not using color in the text, just texture. So you go to the font. I'm going to be using this other font, chunk 5. That's the font I'm going to use. See, then you go to your spacing. It's good at 10, so you increase in size. So you're at 40. So you select a position. That position you are going to start with it. So you've selected the position. Go and lock it. Copy these shapes. Click on crop. Okay, then you click on position to take it up a little bit. Okay, like this. Then you lock it. Copy this withdraw. Add transfer. can also copy these shapes and just use the position. So right now we're going to be needing the layers to balance it, but first let us be done with the arrangements. Okay, for proper arrangement, let's just do it. So like this, we're going to see the one which is not balanced. Go to your position and reduce to number 1. Okay, it's balanced. Then you also copy this transfer, turn it to deposits. Then also I'm going to add airtime, copy the deposits and so on. We're going to do those things. Airtime. So for the video notes, I'm going to just end this text here. You guys, you can continue like that. So the amount you want. But for me not to make the video that long, I'm going to end it here. So from this place, I'm going to finish. Okay, so you lock it. After locking, there are other things we need to do. I go to the shape. So just copy this first shape. Just copy. Then you click on crop. Copy. Alright. Copy. You can choose to cover it fully, but for me I'm not going to cover it fully because I want to add other design at the bottom. So you lock it. It covers the end of this cache. Then we're going to import the logos of different brands, like we have Glow and TNT and this. I'm just doing that step by step, reducing size. Import the NT. So as it is now, I can just add about 1 to the west. You also have the one on GoTV. So let me balance it. Just first of all, also go to the merge setting. Select the 4 image, merge them. Good. So I'm going to relative position. You tap this particular one. So you lock it. Go to your import button. Import this texture. On anything involving texture we are using this particular one. So you reduce in size and add it to the other part. You also copy, reduce again, add it to this part of the design. Copy again, add it to this part. Copy again. So like this now, and then you can actually leave this design like this. It is a first class design. But if you observe the one I did before, look at it, I put some texture. So I'm going to just leave this one at this all the time. That's it. So I'm going to copy these shapes again. I'm going to copy the shapes again. For me not to leave it half naked. You select to back. Select to back. See, so you are done. You need to lock everything. Then you save to your gallery. That's it.